Hi guys, so the question is find the value of m so that the quadratic equation mx into 5x minus 6 plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal roots. So now in order to solve this question, we must first find the quadratic equation, which will be 5mx square minus 6mx plus 9 equal to 0. Now, comparing it with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get 5m as a minus 6m as b and 9 as c. Now, for an equation to have equal roots, the discriminant of the equation should be 0. That is b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So now on substituting the values of b, a and c, we get minus 6m square minus 4 into 5m into 9 equal to 0. On further, now we get 36m square minus 180m equal to 0. So now m will have two values on further simplification, that is m equal to 0 or m equal to 5. Now if we put m equal to 0, then the given equation will not remain a quadratic equation. Therefore, m equal to 0 cannot be the solution. Thus, the value of m is 5.